Today is day 3 of Severe Weather Preparedness Week in the state of Georgia, and today meteorologist Jenna Petracci focuses on tornadoes.
Within just the first month of 2023, we've already had several tornado warnings issued here in the CSRA. And as we go into the spring season, this will become more and more common. But how do tornadoes form? Well, it all begins with a thunderstorm where we have warm, moist air moving at the surface in one direction and cold, dry air aloft moving in the opposite direction. This will lead to wind shear, which then creates a rotating column of air within a cloud. This starts out as horizontal, but then all the rising air at the surface will eventually lift it up and tilt it vertical. Then we will begin to see a funnel extend from the cloud, and then when it continues to grab all that warm air, it'll eventually expand and reach the surface as a tornado. Now, tornadoes can lift up a lot of debris, including mailboxes, which is just flying over my head. And of course, a dangerous and strong tornado can lift up cars and even tear apart homes. So if you're ever in a tornado warning, of course you need to get to your safe place immediately. The best place to go would be a basement, but if you don't have that, you don't have to worry. You can go to the lowest level of your house, such as an interior room on the lowest level, somewhere away from windows like a bathroom or a closet, and be sure to stay in this safe place until that tornado warning ends.